Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will explain why VS Code is a top choice for editing HTML today. The editor gives fast syntax highlighting and built-in Emmet support for HTML. Emmet expands abbreviations into full tags and structures to save time. IntelliSense speeds up typing with tag and attribute suggestions inside HTML files. You can install Live Server to preview HTML in a browser with one click. These features make HTML editing faster, clearer, and less error-prone for both beginners and professionals. Now let's cover the key features and performance considerations for VS Code. Emmet expands abbreviations like div-ol-li into full HTML structures quickly and reliably. Live Server reloads pages automatically when you save HTML or CSS files for instant feedback. IntelliSense provides attribute suggestions and closes tags to reduce typing errors. The Extensions Marketplace offers thousands of extensions for formatting, linting, and themes to customize your workflow. VS Code, finally, I will share setup tips and a recommended workflow to get started quickly. Install Live Server, prettier, and an HTML linter for better editing and consistent formatting. Use Emmet to expand common patterns and write HTML faster with fewer keystrokes. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to access commands like Format Document and install extensions without leaving the keyboard. Press Shift+Alt+F to format HTML automatically to a consistent style. These steps help beginners and experienced developers build HTML reliably and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.